Hello everyone. One of my lazy days, I just made this prawn chili recipe and I found this is really good. In a pan, take some oil, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 10 to 15 curry leaves, fresh chili 1, garlic 1 tablespoon, finely chopped, ginger 1 to 2 tablespoon, again finely chopped. Stir in a medium to low flame. Add 2 to 3 large finely chopped onions. It's better to be they are finely chopped. 1 teaspoon of salt. And then again stir 10 to 15 minutes medium to low flame. Once the onion is soft, it might take 10 to 15 minutes. We can add 1 fully grated coconut into this. And keep stirring again until it is turned golden color. We can also add some oil in between. Just sprinkle the oil if needed. Once it turns into golden color, we can add the spices. Kashmiri chili powder mild 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 2 teaspoon, and chili powder half teaspoon. Stir for 2 to 3 minutes under low flame. After 3 minutes, add 1 to 2 finely chopped tomatoes. Stir again until the tomatoes are soft. Once the tomatoes are soft, we can add thick tamarind soaked water 4 tablespoons. Tamarind water mix very well with the grated coconut and give a nice texture. Once the tomatoes become soft, we can keep the whole thing to the side. In step 2, in a bowl, take the prawns. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, and half teaspoon of coriander powder, and half teaspoon of chili powder. Add half teaspoon of salt as well. Also half tablespoon tamarind water. This all mix well. In step 3, in a pan add 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil or any other cooking oil and fry the prawns for 3 to 5 minutes. Add these fried prawns to the coconut mixture and keep stirring 2 to 3 minutes in a low flame. After 2 to 3 minutes, transfer into a plate and serve with rice.